deal with that situation as soon as I get out of here.
What? Get out of here.
Look up at the stars.
Just look up the word handsome in the dictionary.
If we don't run into any trouble, we can get you there in a couple of hours.
We haven't run into anybody that could speak decent English for a week, right, Janet?
Demand they stand by their oath.
I want you to come stand by the door.
I think I'll turn in.
Anyone failing to turn in any homework assignment will be penalized 1 point off their final grade.
Sentence number 1. I'll deal with that situation as soon as I get out of here. Explanation. In this sentence, get outa means leaving the current place or situation. The person is saying that they will handle the situation once they leave the place they are in. Sentence number 2. Get out of here. Explanation. In this sentence, get outa is a kind of command or request and is a way of expressing surprise, disbelief, or sometimes annoyance. Sentence number 3. Look up at the stars. Explanation. In this sentence, look up means to direct your gaze or attention upwards. Sentence number 4. Just look up the word handsome in the dictionary. Explanation. Here, look up means to search for or find information in a reference source, like a dictionary. Sentence number 5. If we don't run into any trouble. Explanation. In this sentence, run into means encountering or facing problems or difficulties. Sentence number 6. We haven't run into anybody that could speak decent English for a week. Explanation. In this sentence, run into means to meet or encounter someone unexpectedly. Sentence number 7. Demand they stand by their oath. Explanation. In this sentence, stand by means to uphold or fulfill. The speaker is urging or requesting that someone adheres to their promise or commitment made in an oath. Sentence number 8. I want you to come stand by the door. Explanation. Here, stand by means to position oneself close to or next to something. The speaker is asking someone to be near the door, possibly for a specific purpose, or to be ready for something happening nearby. Sentence number 9. I think I'll turn in. Explanation. In this sentence, turn in means to go to bed or retire for the night. The speaker is expressing their intention to go to sleep or rest. Sentence number 10. Anyone failing to turn in any homework assignment will be penalized 1 point off their final grade. Explanation. Here, turn in means to submit or hand in. The teacher is stating that if a student does not submit or hand in any homework assignment, they will receive a penalty of 1 point deducted from their final grade.